I lost 180 pounds, and during maintenance, some of the weight came back. This series documents losing 20 pounds realistically without panic, punishment, or starting over. Hey, I'm feeling better. I cut my hair again this morning. So this is kind of the shape I was going for. I'm trying to get a little fluffier up there and a little flatter down there. A little more of a shag. Kind of the old Karen haircut from the 90s. I don't care. I like it. Anyway, how you doing? You doing okay? I'm feeling so much better today. Oh, my scar so much better. But, hang on. I don't know. I'll never know. But I did not take, it's cold. I did not take my allergy medicine Tuesday night. So, and then I had a whole bunch of drainage yesterday. Could have been that. Who knows? Could be the bug that's going around. I might have an explosion later on, but we'll see. I don't have that little twinge down in the back, you know. Yeah, I left my coat at work last night, so I didn't want to wear one today. And so, anyway, so I'm cold, but I'm going to go on and get this show on the road. It's Pool League tonight. And hey, macros are at the tail end of my video. So if you're here for the macros, it's okay to hit thumbs up and watch a commercial or two. I will not cry if you watch a commercial. Okay, bye. That's what my people gave me for my birthday. Look at that. You know what that is? It's an ice cream cupcake. Y'all know I'm going to eat that thing. I'll plug it into the tracker app. Don't you worry none. My macros may not be good, but you know I'm going to eat it. Yes, I did. I ate it. And I put that, I'm not wearing a coat out here. I feel like we could come out and have a good day. It's so beautiful out here. But colder than Cooter Brown. I'm about tired of this snow now. Look at that big pile. I wonder how long it'll take for this to melt. Supposedly it's going to be warmer over the weekend. But it's just funny looking at the structure of it. Like, you know, it dips and dips and dips. So it's like something gets warm enough that it melts and then it falls in. Anyway, I find find life interesting. Anyway, so yeah, I ate it, but I logged it. So you will see it on my macros. Yes, they're going to be high, but I said, all right, Terry, if you're going to do it, you're going to do it, and you're going to take credit for it. So you will see my calories are going to be up, and oh, my Lord. I looked at it. It is 64 carbs. 64 carbs, y'all. You know. So my total carbs for the day, I think, was like 80 or 90 because I know pretty much what I'm going to have for supper. Oh, look, the sun's peeking through. Hi, Mr. Sunshine. Anyway, so yeah, I had to share that with y'all. But I told the coworkers who gave it to me, like, you're going to have to deal with later, Terry. So anyway, I'm going to be bouncing off the walls later, but that's okay. It was a birthday. And you can't just put an ice cream cake in front of me and not expect me to take a bite. So there's that. Okay, love y'all. Look, here's little Tawanda. She's being a good girl. She says, I'll see you guys at lunchtime. We got some little birdies around. They're, it's not cardinals because, you know, I keep like songbird food out there. And so they eat it. I've been seeing something else. I think somebody said it might have been a sparrow. I don't know, but I replenished their food yesterday. They've been hungry little boogers. But less hungry or less is getting eaten than, sorry about that. One of my staff called. So what I brought today, I'm actually taking a couple bites of because I'm hungry. I brought this. I thought, well, this will be interesting. So, cottage cheese. It'll be in my tracker. And also, so I have ground beef, tallow, and cottage cheese is what I brought. So this is ground beef. And I've got my tallow. It's already melted. And I have not used this in so long. It's chicken and tomato bouillon. It gives things like a tomatoey flavor. So, yeah, chicken and tomato bouillon. So I just sprinkle it on there. Gives it a good twang. Really good. Had to have another bite. You just hold yours. This dang little spoon. I'm gonna get used to them. I'm only using little spoons at work, and then at home I'll use a big spoon for supper. This is what I do when I get done with y'all, but y'all gonna have to watch me do it today because there's stuff on the top. And now, when I get home, I don't have to rinse it off. Shut up! Shut it! I'm just showing you the real Terri. I try to refine myself just a little bit for y'all, but you ain't got to have it. Anyway, so yeah, I cut my hair. I'm pretty stoked. I got it to where I like it. I could use maybe a little more in here, but it's good enough for now. I want to be able to tuck it, and I'm trying to get a good angle, as you can see. So I want to be able, I had it like this before, it's just grown out. But I want to give it a little bit of, fullness up at the top, and kind of be a little, yeah. So, anyway, yeah, I know I had the, that ice cream. This is going to be something really weird. It has never triggered me to eat anything else that I recall. So, I don't know. I'm just playing the day one step at a time. This is the last day. So, tomorrow I'm off so what's today? Today's Thursday. And I'm off Friday because my birthday's Saturday. We get a free birthday. So, my team, they decorated my door. I can't show you, but just says happy birthday over my door. I always decorate, we always decorate each other's thing. We have a set of decorations we use. So they decorated my door. But they, I don't know, sometimes, I always get a king size candy bar to put on their desk. And so they, Suzanne, instead of a king size candy bar, she knows this is something that I love. Anytime I get it, I try to get it. I like to get a cake for our team, whenever I can. I mean, they're not cheap, but it's still fun. But yeah, so for whatever reason, and the day isn't done yet. You know what I mean? For whatever reason, maybe because when I was carnivore, for those 2 years, this was kind of the one thing that I would every year at Christmas time when the family got together. This is like that one thing I would take a piece of, and then I didn't eat any other stuff. So maybe it's placebo. I don't know. But anyway, I love you all. And yeah, so happy Thursday. And, but I'm honest. Wait till you see the macros at the end. Lord Jesus. But it's all right. I love you. Bye. Howdy. How you doing? I took my vest off because I need a spoon. Just a second. Okay. Now, get my iPad ready. Y'all, hey, speaking of, if you have a channel here on YouTube, or if you have something you sell or something you want to share with other people, I don't know that it lets us post links in chat, but maybe just leave off the link part, type it out like Terri Leist space DOT space CON. See if it lets you type that. But anyway, yeah, so if you have a channel or you make stuff to sell, let us know in the comments. Inquiring minds want to know. Okay, so you're going to see my macros are but I'm okay. Like I said, that for some reason that ice cream doesn't trigger me. And I think it's because I'm at work. So I'm not all What else can I eat? It tends to be when I'm out and about or doing something different. I don't know. It don't matter. I ain't got to justify it. So what I have is pork steak right here. I got some seasonings on there. Hang on, let me give it a taste. I put some more of that tomato seasoning on it. Hey! Hang on, they're having a tiff. Baxter eats right down by the water bowl. And he got a little piece. Sam, get out of there. And he got a little piece back behind the little thing that I have their water on. And Sammy got it before Baxter did. So they were having a little conversation. So I'm excited I was able to track it. Now, this is the last of my full pork. Okay? So, yeah, like I said, me and Angie and I are going to go out to eat Saturday. And if I decide to pick up a bigger steak or something tomorrow when I go to Walmart, I'll weigh it out, y'all. I'll weigh it out. But this is a special... I ain't gonna drag out this whole holiday thing. You know, my birthday ain't like, I don't do a whole month or holiday. But if I go to Walmart and they have a nice roast, a nice chuck roast, if it looks like a good one, then I can cut this way and pull apart. You know I'm gonna get it. So anyway, yeah, so I'll go into Walmart. But yeah, so Angie and I are going to eat out Saturday. I don't know where. It's my birthday. And then Sunday, Mom and I will go out to eat Sunday after church anyway. So what I'll probably do Sunday, I think they said that there's usually I don't remember. I think there's 16-ounce pork steaks that I get. So I'll probably plug it in as a 16-ounce pork steak. I just love them. We'll see what I decide. Anyways, this afternoon I made some coffee. Made a mess on me. You're also going to see, it's pool night, so I bring coffee. I put it in a disposable cup, and then that way I can drink it and then trash it. We're down at Hot Shots. That's my favorite place to play. It's less smoky because they don't allow smoking back by the pool tables. But I mean, it's a big open area, like a doorway that goes out to the other side of the bar where they do allow smoking. So, it does seep around, which no big deal, whatever. But it's just fun. I like this place, so. And then tomorrow's payday. I got a big order from Amazon I'm making. It's like some more coffee cups, and I bought collars for the dogs. Regular collars. I don't have any flat collars for these dogs. And then some seat belts that you connect to the seat belt in the car. I'm hoping this works. And for the dogs, and what else? I don't remember. Anyway, it's stuff. So yeah, but it's a planned purchase. I'm proud of myself. I put it off until payday. Go mature, Terri. Go mature, Terri. No impulsive, just blunt. I'm telling you, this has made a big difference in the way I'm eating right now. All right. I'll see y'all tomorrow. I peeked at the scale this morning. It was 178, but we ain't tracking it. I mean, we'll see it Sunday. So yeah, this is my When the Weight Comes Back series. Real maintenance, one day at a time. I'll see you tomorrow. Okay, here's my daily coffee that I have every morning. And this is going to be my lunch and my afternoon coffee that I plug in every day. And this is my supper. And I have three Chomps grass-fed meat sticks that I'll eat at the pool hall. And that's my total macros. Man, them carbs. Look what I did on Chat GPT on my phone. Isn't that fun? I just did some bathroom pictures. Look, there's Baxter. That first one was my very first dog, Chantel. And that's Baxter boy. Oh, look at him. And he's in the bathtub with some wine. He's such a good boy. And look, there's Lou. You all know I got to keep Lou in my life. I love that boy. And he was eating all the toilet paper. Sammy's like, I'm just going to chillax and have a spa day. And there's my girl, my girly girl with the curlers.